Hello everyone, so I'm coming today with a tutorial, and at this point I am just sectioning my hair into two sections. So I am trying to get a straight part in the back and tie up the top part into a ponytail. So right now I'm just making a straight part and sectioning off the top end from the bottom. My plan was to take two locks and two strand twist them, and then I was attempting to make them look shorter by looping it up and then twirling it around the lock, and it was a major fail, and you'll see as it keeps going. So I had to actually figure it out off camera and then come back and then show you how to do it correctly. But here, if you can tell, I actually made a loop at the bottom where my finger is holding it, and that's what made it not hold up right. So I actually have to make it without the loop and then keep the twist as I'm swirling it close together, and that's what gives it the effect of it being shorter and the loop around, as you'll see as the video continues. Figure it out, and it's actually turning out really well. So again, I'm just taking two locks at a time and I'm twisting them together, and when I get to the end, I measure up to make sure they are all even so that they're all the same length, and then I hold it at the point where I want to start twisting up and make sure I stay close to the bottom. So right there, measuring up and staying close right there at the bottom while I twist it so that there's no hole or loop, and then keep it tight as I twist it up on the two strand twist of the locks. And then after I get to the end, I'll take a rubber band and secure it. And I'm pretty sure you can do this if you wear two strand twists. If your hair is really long and you want to give it a different look or a different effect, it'll work on two strand twists as well. One more time for emphasis, and hopefully it's close enough so that you guys can actually see and get a good idea of what I'm doing. So again, just twisting, and then where you see my other two locks is I'll measure it and put my fingers at that point and then twist the ends of the lock around the lock. I got the back all done, and that's the length that I wanted it. And so here at the top, I'm just going to put my hair in 2 ponytails. I'm also leaving 2, or we can say 4, 2 on each side, locks just down for like bangs. But here, just putting my hair in 2 ponytails. This particular method is called Loc Petals, and I'm just taking 3 locks at a time and looping them, and then loop it down and back up, and at the top part I'll take an elastic rubber band and secure it. This is my first time doing it. I think it turned out pretty well, and again, I'm pretty sure you can do this with 2-strand twists too. And if you have thicker or bigger locks, you can just take 1 at a time, or if you're wearing 2-strand twists, you could just take 1 at a time. But because mine are a little smaller, and it would literally take forever to do 1 at a time, so I'm taking 3 at a time. In this scene, I actually zoomed in my camera so that you can see what I was doing, but did not realize that I left it like that, so you can't see what I'm doing here at the top. But as the video goes, hopefully you can see what I'm doing, and hopefully you enjoy it. You can fluff up the loc petals to form it in the way you want. And I really enjoyed this look, and I enjoy doing it. So I plan on doing more of this in the future. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye.
already, please subscribe. You know, it's free. And then you can be able to see all my other videos coming up, whether it's a lock style or a loose natural, if I'm working on clients, and get some inspiration ideas on how to style your hair.